Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, last time we had discussed Jinnah Gandhi Talks 1944. Now, today we are going to discuss SIMLA Conference. Now, open your books on page 58. SIMLA Conference 1945. Write down first expected question with first three lines. What was SIMLA Conference? You must know that what was SIMLA Conference. In the SIMLA Conference 1945, a meeting between the Viceroy and the major political leaders of India was held at Simla. What was SIMLA Conference? A meeting was held between the Viceroy and the major political leaders of India. It was held at Simla in which year? 1945. It was convened. Convened means come together for a meeting. It was convened, it was arranged to have the meeting to agree on and approve the Waiver Plan for the Indian self-government. Basically, Simla Conference meeting, it was called between the Viceroy and the major political leaders of India, and what was the purpose? To agree on to approve the Waiver Plan for the Indian self-government. It reached a political agreement for self-rule of India that provided separate representation to Muslims and produced majority powers for both communities in their majority region. Now, Lord Wavell convened the conference and invited Muslim League and Congress representatives. The conference started on June 24, 1945 and ended on July 14, 1945. Lord Wavell called the meeting, called the conference and invited whom? Muslim League and the Congress representatives. What did he do? He convened the conference and invited the Muslim League and Congress representatives. And this conference started from which date? From June 24, 1945 and ended on July 1945. Now you have to look into it that who represented in the Simla Conference. Now write down second question with it. Who represented from Muslim League and Congress in Simla Conference? Who represented Muslim League and Congress in Simla Conference? So write down. Muslim League was represented by Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh, Liaquat Ali Khan and the others, while Congress was represented by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Khizr Hayat Tiwana and Dr. Khan Sahib and others. Clear? So you will do this question that who represented Muslim League and Congress in Simla Conference. Now come to the third question. What did Viceroy propose for an interim government? Interim government is basically the transitional time period between the two events, means between the temporary and the permanent government. The Viceroy proposed for an interim government with 5 ministries from Muslims, 5 from Hindus and 3 from other nations, but there was no difference of opinion of both the parties. Clear? So what did Viceroy propose for an interim government having how many ministries from Muslims? 5 from Muslims, 5 from Hindus and 3 from other nations. But what happened? There was no difference of opinion of both the parties. Clear? So once again I am going to repeat 3 questions. The first one, what was Simla Conference? Second one, who represented Muslim League and Congress in Simla Conference? Third one, what did Viceroy propose for an interim government? Clear? So note down these 3 short questions in your copies. Clear? Take care, girls. Allah Hafiz.